welcome to my second Haverdash unboxing. I was wrong about how long it would take to get here because this only took the weekend to get to me. So I already have some new dresses to try out. Probably won't be seeing it right after my last Haverdash unveiling because I like to spread them out a little bit so you got some variety on the channel. But I'm super excited about this because I've got all dresses that have come in this box. And on that note, I'm just going to get right into it. So first things first, they always put your mailbag packaging on top. And then you've got your little bundle, which I'm super excited about that. That is so colorful. They're all very pretty floral designs. So I cannot wait to try these on for you guys, but I'll be right back. So this is the first dress. It is a very beautiful flowered dress. It fits very well. This was a size 8 on me. The keep price on this right now is $23, which I think it qualifies for an extra discount. But I love the ruffle detail on this. It's very cute. It goes all the way down to the bottom. This is not something that I would normally have in my closet. So with it being the cheapest thing in the box, I might actually end up keeping it, but I will make that decision based on if I fall in love with some of the more expensive items in the box. So with that, I'll be back in the next dress. So this is the second dress. It is in a size medium. It flows absolutely beautiful. I don't like where it's falling in the front here. I think it's a little too low. But I do like the shoulders. It's very ruffly. I feel like you could also wear it on the side, but it would be a little hard to keep it where it's supposed to be like that. It's also got this beautiful slit right here. It is definitely a very different dress, and I think it is so beautiful. I think if I saw this on sale, I would be all over it. But this dress is $26.50 to keep. And on that note, I will be back in the next dress. So this is my third dress, and it's a very cute print. I think it's way too busy for me looking at it. I would honestly prefer something that's not all jumbled together and hurts my eyes looking at when I look down. But I do love this button detail down the front. It's very cute. I don't necessarily like the top of the dress. I feel like it's down too low or just doesn't look like it fits right. It just fits very fitted up here, but too flowy down here. And then it's got this hole here where it just makes everything really cold. And I feel like if something was to slip or sit wrong, it would just look really wrong. So this was also a size large. But with this being $27, and it's also the most expensive thing in the box, this is definitely probably going back to Haverdash. It's going to be between the two other dresses. But I will be back in a minute. So I am back, and obviously we know how I feel about this dress. And now even sitting down looking at the top of this dress, I'm like, no, I can't keep this. This makes me feel too uncomfortable. But the other two, I'm kind of torn between. Because this is it's called Cupcakes and Cashmere in a size 8. It was a little difficult to get the zipper up at the top, but it does fit. It's just one of those things where it's placed where you got to reach the middle of your back at that point. But it's the cheapest thing in the box, and it's so cute. It would be perfect to wear like on a date or just out when it's hot outside. I don't know. I don't know if I would be too heartbroken to pair it with this. It's like perfect length too when it hits the knee. And then this one is $26.50, which this qualifies for 30% off, and this qualifies for 40% off on the listed price they're showing me. But this one, even though it was a little looser than I liked, the ruffles are gorgeous. I loved the slit. I just love this dress in general. It's so pretty. I don't know. They've been making me pay about $5 to dart my boxes, I'm assuming because I'm only in a free trial and not paid for my month. So I'm trying to think about what will let me dart another box out so I have as many boxes to show you guys and still not make me feel guilty about keeping a pretty dress. Because technically I don't have to keep the whole box, but given the fact I paid to dart the box, I just want to keep something because it makes me feel like I paid for it. And not just for nothing, you know. So I think on that note, I might end up keeping this one. I want to keep this one. I just feel like I'll feel guilty about it. But when I make a decision, I'll put it down in the description box below. Tell me what you guys think of the dresses. They're all very good picks. It's just this one definitely is not jamming with my body type. But thank you all for viewing my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Like and subscribe.